Hey guys, welcome. It's morning here where I am. As many of you know, I start pretty early. Been a little while since we did a kind of a how-to instructional video. This is pretty specialized. This is for Hamilton changers, and it is a retrofit kit for MEI installation. And this is for certain series of Hamilton changers. There they are listed here. A lot of these companies made their own bill validators in the early days, and a lot of these changers are still really awesome, but their validator heads for the most part have become outdated. So to put in a series 2000 MEI like this is kind of the custom bracketry. This opens up. Took me a little bit. I did all this assembly without a manual because the parts department was not open yet. So I'm going to show you what you get in this kit, and it's surprisingly inexpensive. It's in the bracketry and the needed, they give you, because this is a pulse system, they give you the relay, plugs in this end, that plug comes from the machine. This is the harness they give you. We know that goes in the MEI. This goes into, and I'm going to show you here a little bit, let's see, like so. Alright, let's turn our camera around. We'll put it on the bench here where I have a couple of these kits opened up, and I'm going to show you what you get. So yeah, I sat here this morning and I thought I can figure this out. Wasn't quite as easy as I thought. The only thing I put on backwards was that plate. See how it kind of comes out and it's now flush? Well, you can put it on backwards, okay? So anyways, let's set this aside. I'm going to show you what you get. I have two kits here because we had two customers that both wanted this kit. So anyways, here are the three brackets. This is the fold down assembly in the back. This is the one that mounts to the validator bezel. Once again, it goes like so. It's easy on an MEI because these mounts are narrower than the top two, so you can't really screw that up. What you can do is you can do that like I did, and that is not the way it goes in because this extra space, when it goes up flush with this, doesn't match up. So anyways, I'm going to send the printed PDFs with these. I'm not going to send all 18 pages because you don't need all 18 pages. It's just a bunch of other stuff, and if you want to mount a CoinCo in there, and who uses CoinCos anymore? So anyways, okay, let's get a close-up here of our kit. Comes with all the needed hardware. This is a filler plate. Okay, I have one that's out of the wrapper, and I kept looking at this and I thought, where does this go? Where does this go? It sort of fits there, but that's not what it's for. It goes up into the machine, and it is a filler plate. Okay, and maybe we'll just hold this up. Alright, here's one of the printed sheets I'm going to send you. So anyways, see that filler plate? It goes up against the front. This is existing. This is the front of the changer, or maybe if it's a rear load, the rear. But anyways, that plate goes in there, I think, for a tighter fit for the validator snout. So that's what that is for. Now, because, as I mentioned before, this system is 110 volt. That's what style validator you use. If you want to go 1s and 20s, you pretty much have to use an AE26, and with this bezel, it would be a snack bezel. That is a a 0 bezel, number 0. So you would use an AE2601. Okay, 0 means the bezel, the 1 on the end means the voltage, which is 110. Okay, so this mounts in the change machine. The harness they give you, I'm not going to snap it in because I don't feel like having to unsnap it, goes here. The other end goes here, so it's really simple. That goes in to the side of your MEI. It's got your polarity pins. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see them sort of by my thumb there. There's 2 of them, so you can only put it into a 110 volt system, so you can't screw up. But anyways, guys, I'm going to send you 3 pages with this kit. Let's see what the other one was. I thought it was somewhat important here. Oh, it's the pardon me, it is the components that they give you, pretty much, you know, screws and nuts and stuff like that. So anyways, gonna get that, gonna get the printout. This is also available on Hamilton's website. And once again, let's show you how this goes together, how it folds down. Once you get this assembly put together, okay, see how nice that is? This is super top quality stuff. This is not made in another country, and we know what country we're talking about. This is made in America. This is 100 years of ingenuity. So anyways, this part here bolts to the existing machine, okay? It's got some mounting holes here, whether you use 2 or 4, I think it depends on what machine you have. Then this is gonna go through the same studs, because if you look, let me get a pointer here. If you look, you can see daylight through that hole, that hole. So those are going to be studs sticking out of your changer cabinet. Now, I had to kind of push down on my cord because it is a little bit in the way. Okay, something I don't have flush here. I think it's going to be easier once you mount it. Yeah. Oh, I see what I've done. Okay, now we should be good. Everything has to fit just right. You heard that snap, so there you go. That's sort of a, you know, this piece here, I looked at it and I thought, well, I don't have a changer here, but this is a protector, okay? So anyways, it does not interfere with your cash box, bill box, let's say. Bill box goes right there. If you have an extended bill box, nothing's going to be in the way. So anyways, guys, we will put a couple links at the bottom of this video. One will be to make this purchase. One will be to the PDF that's on Hamilton's website, and they have great technical service if I'm not available, but simply plug and play. I can't see this taking more than 30 minutes. If you've done a few of them, it probably takes 15. So anyways, guys, for now, we appreciate you viewing, and have a great holiday. This has been filmed in December of 2022. Let's hope for good things in the coming year. Doug at Doug's World Tour. Out.